This image illustrates the coolant temperature sensor on the left side of the engine, red arrow. I have removed the battery and tray to get better pictures, but you do not need to remove these to perform this work. You will need to remove your engine cover or aftermarket air intake system along with the alternator. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks. Remove the electrical connection from the sensor, red arrow. Compress the tab and pull the connection straight back. You may be able to pull the plastic clip that keeps the sensor in place back with your hands, but I like to start removing it with a screwdriver, red arrow. Remove the clip from the pipe, red arrow. Pull the sensor out. Most of the time, the O-ring will not come out with the sensor. This sensor is missing its O-ring, red arrow. Make sure to remove the old O-ring, red arrow, from the pipe and clean the area of any corrosion or debris. The new sensor may or may not come with a new O-ring and plastic clip. Check to make sure if it's included. If not, you will need to order it. Installation is the reverse of removal, and do not forget to top up the coolant. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.